Megan Brown here from the BakerMama, and I'm so excited to show y'all how to build a Star-Spangled s'mores tray. This is the perfect finale to your 4th of July celebration. It's full of red, white, and blue goodies, which makes it such a creative and fun spin on s'mores. Everyone is sure to enjoy it. Let me show you how. Okay, let me talk about some of these tasty, festive treats that are going on this tray for everyone to build their ultimate s'mores on the 4th of July. We've of course got graham crackers. We've got these adorable red cookies that make for a perfect little mini s'more. We've got these cookies and cream Hershey's bars that are red, white, and blue, and some stars cut out of Reese's peanut butter cups, the thin ones. We've got strawberries, raspberries for a fun fruity twist, and then the s'mores mellows, which are perfect fit for a graham cracker for roasting. And then we make a fun little snack mix out of some Muddy Buddies snack mix and some peanut, red, white, and blue peanut M&Ms. And we'll mix that together and put it on either side of the tray. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy, friends.